In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change the visual appearance or theme for chessboard and chess pieces on chess.com. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up chess.com website and then sign into your account. Once you've done that, click right here to go to settings, and then in settings go to board and pieces. That's where we can select visual appearance for our board simply by clicking at any appearance from that drop-down menu, and also in here at the very first position of this options list we can in the same way select any appearance, any theme for chess pieces. If you would like to save the changes, do not forget to scroll down and click at save. Or if you don't want to save the changes, you can just go out of here or just refresh the page to revert it back to default. That's how you can easily change theme for chessboard and chess pieces on chess.com.